Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I'm going to be doing a review and first impressions on the Jaclyn Divine Neutrals palette with Morphe. I honestly was excited to see her come out with this palette just because I don't have very many neutral palettes in my collection, and this just looks perfect for everyday fall, homecoming, prom, brides, like just anything like that. Obviously I play with color basically only on my channel. It's basically the only thing I do is play with color, but obviously it's Jaclyn Hill. It was only $18. I only spent like $6 on mine because I had coupons and gift cards and stuff, so I'm really excited to get into this. So with all that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get started. I forgot to turn my ring light on for my intro, so that's my bad. But a little bit of information about this palette is it is $18 and it's available on Morphe and Ulta. It has 6 mattes and 6 shimmers for a total of 12 shades. Looks like this. I believe I said that it was $18, which I don't think is a bad deal at all. The packaging is super just like simple, plain, nothing really spectacular. It's not a very heavy palette, but yeah, that's kind of all I have for you on this palette. It does have a mirror, and a lot of people are saying that it looks like the Ring the Alarm palette, but I don't think it does. That palette had like oranges and yellows and greens in it, and this is literally just neutrals. Like, this is just brown. So with all that being said, let's get into the tutorial. Bailey wants to say hi, apparently. Just going to pick up a brush for the first shade. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do, but I kind of have an idea in my head of what I want to do. So I think I want to do like more like a winged out look a little bit, and then I have gems. I'm thinking. Never played with gems before, but for my transition shade, we're going in with the shade Just Barely. There's a little bit of fallout in there. I don't think you can see it, but nothing crazy. I am going to tap off my brush. My eyes might look a little puffy and my nose might look a little bit of red because right before I started filming I was crying. I am having a really bad day, and I wish that I wish it was things I could talk about, but they're not, because the people, well, some of the people who like upset me watch my videos, and this is more than one person. Like, there's like 3 major things that are really bothering me, and there's like nothing I can literally really do about any of the situations, and it's just like making me really sad. I'm gonna try not to cry, but I was talking to my mom about everything, and she was like, I just don't want what's going on to like affect your mental health, and I don't want you to like be getting really bad anxiety again or depression. And it was just like not an easy thing to have your like mom say to you, because she knows me and she knows that I will get in a bad mental place, and I've been trying really hard to be an okay mental spot, and I don't know. Life is just hard. Life is really hard as a teenager. I just think life in general is hard, actually. Not just being a teenager, but life in general kind of sucks for a lot of people. And for a lot of people it's really good, and those people are really lucky. But I've just felt so unbelievably overwhelmed lately. And just sometimes the people that you really need to be there for you just aren't. But it's okay, we're gonna power through. I was literally so excited when I got this palette in the mail yesterday, and I really wanted to film. So I have a 3-day weekend. Today is Thursday the 14th of October, so I have a 3-day weekend. So I wanted to take the advantage of filming today and possibly filming another day, I don't know, while I can. So that shade just barely showed up. So I'm gonna go in with the shade next to it called Good Vibes, which is for this one, and I'm gonna also pull that through my crease. I'm afraid this is gonna be a little bit too dark for a transition shade. I wish there was a shade kind of maybe like right in between the two, just because, I don't know, maybe it's not too dark. It looks okay-ish. They're blending nice though. I'm not having any issues with blending yet, which is a good sign, because I get very cranky when things don't want to blend, and then I probably would have a complete mental breakdown right now, because I just want this look to be pretty, you know? I want things to go well. I want to be in a better mood. But that doesn't seem to be the case right now. This side looks so much better than this side. What did I do? Now I'm going in with the shade Boo Bear, and I'm gonna go in with a bit of a smaller brush, but it's still a little bit fluffy. It's not like a detail brush. And I'm going to put that on the outer corner and just kind of smoke it out a little bit. I know it looks questionable as heck, but now I'm gonna go with the shade Cinnamon Roll, and on a little detail brush, I'm just going to pack that on and do basically the same thing. Just shaping it out. This kind of looks terrible. LOL. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Drippin' first. I'm just gonna use my finger. I'm gonna put that on the inner part of the lid. These have like glitters in them, sort of. Like itty bitty glitters. They're really pretty. And then I'm gonna take the shade Strip Tease, which is this shade, and I'm gonna use my pinky to put that on kind of the outer part of my lid. I don't know if that looks good. I'm trying here. LOL, I don't know. I'm gonna go do the other eye, try and clean these up a little bit, and then I'll come back. Okay, I cleaned it up a little bit. This is how they're looking. I like the way that they look. I'm going to finish my eyes off camera. Probably do my face off camera too, just because I don't feel like talking a bunch. But, oh, sorry guys. Yeah, I'm gonna go complete the look, and then we'll be back to discuss. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with Boo Bear, just because I don't think I want that dark cinnamon roll shade under there. I want to keep it a little bit lighter, just a tad. Just blend that down there a little bit. Like that, and I'm gonna do obviously the exact same to the other side. Okay, and then for the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with the shade All Luxe, and I'm just gonna pack that on a brush and apply that on my inner corners. You guys know that I like a bright inner corner, so I'm really gonna pack that on. Okay. So, I'm going to do lower lash mascara and apply gems. I don't really know where I want these. I'm thinking like 3 each side maybe. I don't know. I've never done gems before. So I'm gonna go finish my look, and then I will be back for my final thoughts. Okay, so I finished my look. Here is the final look. My lips is the Jaclyn Cosmetics lip cushion in the shade Sincerely Yours. This is from the Bougie Rouge collection. This is the first time I'm ever wearing this lip, and I've had it for a while. For the Rouge, I think it's a really pretty color, and I know it kind of contrasts with the eyes a little bit, but I kind of like it. Adds a little twist. But this is the final look. My opinions on this palette is I really do like it. I think this look turned out really pretty. I know that the gems weren't necessary, but I wanted just a little pop of something. The shimmers are beautiful. I have 3 of them on, and then I used 4 mattes, so I used 7 of the 12 colors. I used over half the palette. I really do like it. I think that if you're thinking about it, I would just grab it, or if you're thinking about maybe getting it for a gift for someone, just do it. I really enjoy the way my eyes look. I think that it's pigmented, blendable. I didn't really have any issues with them. So with all that being said, oh, I'm sorry, that's my thing's on, I'm sorry. But with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoy the look. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!